Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a turtle race in Python. So the first code we're going to do is import turtle. Second code that we're going to write is screen equal to turtle dot turt. And I'm going to be naming my turtle Jack. I like a short name, so Jack equal to turtle dot turtle. We're going to do Jack dot pen up since he's going to be moving, and we're going to do Jack go to, let's say down to minus 200 like that. Now we're going to make this into minus 200, no, minus 100. Okay, and then our next line of code is going to be Jack dot pen down. So we're going to do Jack dot go to 200 dot 200. Yep. We'll do Jack dot pen up. Following Jack dot go to in brackets. And then we do Jack dot right turtle race. Just do this. Race, don't close this with brackets. Comma, space font, equal to, bracket, and do Arial. Just like that. Do Arial. And then, so like this, we're gonna do this. No, like this here. And then we do, we're gonna start with another turtle, as one of our races will be Ryan, equal to turtle dot turt. And then another line will be Ryan dot shape. Set this right here to so just like that. Then Ryan dot color, and then blue. You can do any color you want. I'm just doing this. Now Brian dot go to minus 500 by 150. Minus 500 by 150. So we're going to start off with another one. So I'm going to do Bob equal turtle by turtle. But what we did something wrong here is include close these up, which we should close them up. Now Bob a turtle, Bob color do red to fix this bracket issue, and then our last line of code for ball would be Bob minus 500 by 75 instead. Yes, 75. And let's move on to another. We're gonna have 4 races in turtle. So let's just do I'm gonna do Logan then dot turtle Logan dot color and Logan dot shape turtle Logan dot color green. Then Logan dot go to this dimension, which the dimensions are for me. They could change on your screen. It's just for my output. This is better. And our last one would be Tyson dot turtle dot turtle. Oh, I think we just did something wrong because this is equal to, not dot. So to change quickly for all of these equal. Space equal space. So we've done that for Bob. I hope Ryan's also fine. Yep, Ryan's also fine. So then Tyson dot shape. Just like that, and Tyson dot color yellow. Tyson go to this dimension. Okay, so we've done this, and now we have to do import random, because this can be random speeds. Random jack dot go to $50. Okay, then do while true and right. Just for 1 second. Just and I just copy pasted all of them. So Ryan.forward is basically all the same. Just gonna change the names for these. And no, we don't need your help for this Grammarly. And we have to do if Ryan export it's gonna make this equal Jack dot right okay, so I fixed this issue because with the colon you have to make it all lined up. And we're gonna write break. So if Bob export, we'll just put so I don't know why it's not working. Just and Bob. Oh, I got it. It's not making sense because of right here. And there's no space between this. There isn't any space between this as well. But the only problem is it should be something like this. And then we do Jack dot right. Let us copy paste this part of it. You can do this, isn't cheating or anything, because it can save a lot of time. Instead of Ryan wins, Bob wins. And do break. Okay, and we do if Logan dot xcore colon checked, alright, Logan wins, and this, and then break, if Tyson dot xcore we have to get 200 colon, right, Tyson wins, 10 wins. And then just our one last piece of code, screen dot main loop. This is the most important code of them all. This just makes the screen stay. Then refresh the connection, press run. Because line 9, what's wrong with line 9? Oh, and line 41. So what about now? Line 43. Okay, does it work now? Line 45. Now it should work, right? Oh. Break outside loop. Well, what loop is it? Because we made an this isn't going to affect anything. So let me just fix it 1 sec. Just gonna delete all this that I wrote. Delete. Just like that. Oh, we also forgot this one. Control X. And I'm just gonna get the sample code that I wrote. See if it errors on this as well, because this is my own creation, and I'm just gonna rewrite all of them and get ready to go in this fast montage. So, well, I've done this all, but does it work now? Break what loop? Okay. Oh, it's gonna refresh connection. Okay. And this just shows all the lines are going to. Should be fine. And this is the end of the code. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any ideas for any next video, feel free to comment. Peace.